Hi, class. I hope this finds you well. I'm thinking that you are probably deep in the heat of writing your papers. Well, unless you are just so brilliant and already did it. I don't know. I mean, not so brilliant. So good at time management. You're probably brilliant even if you wait till the last minute because, I sometimes do that too. But in any case, if you didn't already reach out to me and you have questions about the paper, why didn't you ask me? Because now it's due tonight. But if there's anything pressing you need to talk to me about, please feel free to email me. So next week's kind of project or whatever is to think about the self-fulfilling prophecy. And the self-fulfilling prophecy is this idea that if you kind of think it's going to come true, right? And often it's like, it's related to like something negative, but it doesn't always have to be. You can talk yourself into good stuff too. So I always like to kind of turn a self-fulfilling prophecy upside down in terms of like how we can kind of convince ourselves that something good is actually going to happen rather than something bad, which isn't standard. We are usually talking about a self-fulfilling prophecy in terms of, oh gosh, I'm going to flunk this test, oh gosh, I'm going to flunk this test, because you just think it over and over again and then you flunk the test, right? Or I'll never be president of the United States, and then you never are. Well, I mean, most people never are, so that's a silly example. But in any case, so for this week, you're going to think about this concept, which is again a really standard social psych kind of concept. So you're going to read self-fulfilling prophecies, you're going to read the article, and then you're going to post in the discussion forum, and that's all you're going to do this week. So hopefully, you're well, and hopefully you're plugging along. We're getting close. We're almost at the end. Give yourself a little pat on the back because you've come this far and you're all doing really well. This is a really, again, I'm going to say this. You guys are a really amazing group of students. You work hard. You do all your posts. There's not any glaring like uh example of not posting or not doing the assignments, and so it's really been a lot of fun to have you in class. So keep it up, and I look forward to seeing what you have to say about last week's post and your value systems and how internalization of society relates to that, as well as how the self-fulfilling prophecy kind of stacks up in your discussion post. So thank you and have a good week.